Hi friends, this is Anumpali again. My concept today a load factor which is related to the flight mechanics. First of all, load factor. Load factor means uh, load factor is denoted by the letter n. N equals to lift by weight, where load factor is always indicates that n equals to 1 is in that condition is known as the load factor. In further process, you have to know what are the forces and what about it. What is the weight? The downward force due to gravity or other acceleration that is usually direct opposite to lift acts to the center of the gravity. According to a flight in this to with respect to the center of gravity, it has the four forces. They are lift, weight, drag and thrust, in which upwards acts as a lift and downwards acts as a weight and front view act as a thrust and back view act as a drag. These four forces are balanced an aircraft to fly or land to in cruise levels in their various processes. What, what's if weight is greater than lift? Aircraft descends. It means weight is greater than the lift. The aircraft it could not able to fly. It is able to go in downwards direction. Lift is greater than weight. Aircraft flies. If the lift is greater than weight, the aircraft is able to climb. It means that the angle of attack is going constantly. And wing load. Cross weight of the aircraft is divided by aircraft by area of lifting surface wings, in which wings are in down, in which are in sideways. You can able to observe the diagram. These are the wings and dynamic live load. Additional load due to acceleration on the additional load due to acceleration on the change in the direction. Accelerated with a maneuver flight. In additional level of flight, lift and weight, we can able to observe that there are two velocity components in which the central force is able to can able to identify. Further process, they are backing that. In second graph, we can able to second picture we can able to observe that stripping the back end term and load factor. Ratio of actual load acting on the wheels to the cross weight in a plane is known as the load factor. Low, live load is dead load. Live load is also known as the dead load. In straight line level flight, the load factor is 1. Load factor, J units, bang angle. It means that constantly going on increasing. You will observe that half. In further process, gust load. Load changes to load change is improving on the aircraft due to the intense up and down wind gust. Gust load is nothing but there is a sudden increase in the wind or a decrease in the wind in all directions like upwards and downwards. This known as the gust load. You can able to observe a picture on screen. Weight, load factor, and steering speed. Increasing aircraft weight, increasing aircraft weight requires increasing the lift to maintain the level flight. Critical angle is reached at a higher speeds. Stall speed increases. If we increases the weight speed of reach to critical angle of an attack, it also increases the stall speeds. Those were the interrelated with weight, load factor, and stalling speed. Stalling speed also known as VS. Increasing the load factor during the maneuvers in flight requires increasing lift to maintain the level flight. Increasing the load factor during the maneuvers in flight requires increasing the lift to maintain the level flight. Critical angle of an aircraft is reached at an increasing speed. Stall speed also increases. It means that load factor during flight increases speeds to the reach of a critical angle, and also stall speed also increases. In general, stall speed is denoted by Vs. And structural limitations. Structural limitations are which aircraft it is designed with a maximum load factor that should not but should not be exceed as permanent damage may occur. Squadra 233 NX and load factor is 4.67. It means that each aircraft is designed with a maximum load factor should not be exceeded as permanent damage because according to certain table pilot consult, they will be able to fly a flight within their process. It gives the perfect information that you have to fly it about a certain range only. Beyond that, if you are going to fly, your structural damage is going to occur to your flight. It may causes rapid collision. And force in a turn, vertical force of a lift and weight are no longer in balance. Angle of attack must be increases to produce the increasing lift needed. Lift is divided into two components, vertical and horizontal components. Yes, straight and level flight. In which that total lift weight. In B figure, horizontal components, in which total lift as tilted as left side and vertical component of the lift. Vertical and horizontal component of the lift. Vertical component equals to opposite weight and the horizontal component equals to cause aeroplane to turn. The horizontal component is known as centripetal force. Centripetal force is opposite to the centripetal force. Centrifugal force is opposite to the centripetal force and pulls the aircraft out of the turn. And force in turn. We are able to identify that weight in centrifugal force and lift G force. Pull the plane into the center of the turn and counter centrifugal force, resulting in the lift due to the adding horizontal components. Pull the plane to outside of the turn and centrifugal and centrifugal forces. Centripetal force and centrifugal forces pulls into the turn, pulls away from the turn. Centrifugal goes into certain and centrifugal is coming away. G force, inertia force is acting in the centrifugal force. This is a small intellectual diagram of centripetal versus centrifugal force, in which the centripetal and centrifugal forces are in always in the opposite direction. Centrifugal and centripetals are inversely proportional to between each other. It means centrifugal forces are pulling into the turn and centrifugal is coming away. There is a difference in between them, and genuine force and inertia forces were acting on those. This is a basic diagram where a man or woman were trying to pull a pull an item. It means that the centrifugal force in which we are going to apply centrifugal force in which we are going to apply centripetal force in which the material has its own. Thank you.